This is Doogee V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can clearly see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from here you will need to launch settings, then enter Google category, onwards go for the manage your Google account button. After that, open the data and privacy page or section, then scroll it all the way down and go for the delete your Google account option. Then in order to continue, we will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen. After you will type in your password and tap next. The following page is delete your Google account, which you will also need to scroll all the way down. Check those two boxes at the bottom to confirm that you acknowledge everything, and then delete your Google account. At this point, the parental controls should have already been deactivated, so let's quickly check that. Yep, as you can see, there are no parental controls active and no Google account linked as well. So the last thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account I have just deleted, which you can very easily do through signing into any Google app with it. I'll go for Google Play Store, for example, but as I've said, you can use any Google service or app that you please. After inputting the email address, you should get the following message confirming that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So that's what we are interested in. So follow the previous message by inputting your account password, then hit the next button, and 9 out of 10 times you'll get the following error saying something went wrong. That's completely fine, just re-input or re-enter your credentials. And usually the second time around it lets you go through and allows you to proceed with the sign-in. So I've entered the email address and password, then hit the next button. And as you can see, the sign-in process continues. So let's finish that. And as you can clearly see, the account was successfully restored or recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.